Good evening. Yeah, this is ground zero for this cicada invasion, if you will, this front yard in Natrona Heights. We spotted a few when we arrived here in the yard, but we noticed the mother lode, which is over by this tree, probably thousands of cicadas right here in their front yard. How many do you think are in the front yard?
Like 2 million.
The exact count is unknown, but unlike her 8-year-old son, Nikki Becker isn't pleased with the number of cicadas in their Natrona Heights front yard.
Their big red eyes, and they look like cockroaches.
A gigantic nest of cicadas has taken hold of her property, crowding the driveway, the grass, and swarming this tree. Some are dead, and some are very alive. Nikki is trying to get rid of them.
Leaf blowing a lot. We use the leaf blower a lot. Pressure washing, and then just like sweeping up and bagging them up. I mean, bagging up like bags of leaves and trash cans filled with them. There's so many. It's so disgusting.
She says this is the first year they've ever appeared on her street. Her 8-year-old son, Brooklyn, is actually a big fan of them. But you're good with it.
Yeah.
Would you actually like more of them?
Whatever God gives me.
That's a good answer. In fact, Brooklyn doesn't mind holding them in his hand. The only problem is he has an affinity for placing them on his mother.
It's still on you, Mom.
And his impression of what that sounds like is spot on. What does your mom do whenever you put these cicadas on her? I think that's a good place to end the interview. Now, the family believes they'll probably only have to deal with the cicadas for a few more weeks, but as you heard, Brooklyn wouldn't mind if they stick around a little bit longer. Reporting in Natrona Heights, Bo Berman, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.